Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Zoom tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share content or share your screen in a Zoom meeting. So I'll be going through how to share your entire display, how to share different applications on your computer, as well as some of the advanced options they have for sharing content in a Zoom meeting. So the first thing I'm going to do to get started is just start a new meeting. Once you have a meeting started in Zoom, to quickly start sharing content or your screen, all you need to do is go down to the bottom toolbar right here and select Share Screen. This will open up a new window with some options here where we can share either our displays by selecting screen. If we have multiple displays, it'll give us options to share those as well. And then we can also share individual applications. So you can share a web browser. You could share things such as Excel. Like I have a calculator up. I could share just the calculator to the Zoom meeting. And you can also do a whiteboard, which will open up a new whiteboard where you can kind of draw and maybe do a lesson, something like that. If you are sharing your browser or anything that has audio, you want to go down and make sure you have share computer sound selected down here in the bottom left. So you just check that, and then anybody in the meeting will be able to hear anything that is being played in what you're sharing. So if you're sharing a YouTube video, they'll be able to hear the audio there. They do have some advanced options here. So if we select the advanced tab at the top, we can share music or just the computer sound. You can also share a second camera. So if you have an overhead projector or you're doing something that requires a second camera, you can share that. And then we also have the option to share a portion of the screen. So this will give you the ability to drag and drop a portion of your screen and just share that as well. Additionally, we have the option to share content through a file sharing service such as Microsoft OneDrive, Google Drive, or Box. And if you select one of these and go to share, it'll give you the option to connect Zoom to that file sharing service, and then you can share a file that way. So for this, I'll show you an example of sharing a portion of your screen. So I'll just select that and then go to share. And as you can see, it'll bring up a box like this that I can move around, and it is just sharing that portion of the screen in that box. I can change the size of this by just going in the corner and dragging and dropping, changing the height and also the width. When I want to end sharing of my screen, just go to the top to the toolbar and select Stop Sharing. So I'll select Stop Sharing right there. And then it will bring up the meeting and I'm no longer sharing my screen. One quick thing before we end this meeting, if you would like to have participants of the meeting share their screen as well, you'll have to go down to the security button in the toolbar and make sure that you have share screen for participants allowed. So make sure that you have a check next to that, just like this, and then any of the participants will be able to share their screen as well in the Zoom meeting. All right, so that's how you share your screen in a Zoom meeting. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Zoom tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.